in our school. Here are the little diamonds from first class from Jyoti building block. Really responsible in the beautiful traditional festival of Bonalu. Thank you dear friends. Thank you Nikhil sir for your excellent choreography.
For the kind attention of the participants and the in-charge teachers, this is a reporting call from Mehran from IIT campus. He is requested to report to the stage immediately.
Now, on the stage now is a very beautiful dance. The beauty of bird blossom into a flower, spreading colorful petals. Let's enjoy a beautiful dance performance from the Little Shining Petals from Jyoti High School campus. The song Pala Pittalo Valapu Ni Paita Mettu Pai Valinde. Here it is.
For the kind attention of the participants and the in-charge teachers, this is a reporting call for the team who is performing the skit from high school campus. Report to the stage immediately.
The stage is going to be rocked once again. Here is the fire. The rocking stars from Jyoti High School campus are on the stage to rock the stage with a thunderous dance performance. Let's witness the fire now.
Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? Yeah, thank you. A wonderful day today. After 3 months we have gathered here. First of all, I'd like to thank to parents who is giving a wonderful cooperation and teachers, each and everybody. My dear children, a warm welcome to the 2024-25 academic year with the Swagatotsav, with a new name, new day, with flying colors. Superb. The beginning, it's really superb. I welcome all the new children, almost all. Near about 500 students they take an admission in our institution. I welcome all the teachers who joined this year. As regular, every year how we are giving admissions, this year also we have given admissions. But as soon as possible, high school, almost 8th, 9th, 10th. Within the 1 week, when the school started, within the 1 week, the admissions are completed. Even building block placements also, the admission almost all completed. 7th class this year, 5th section we have opened already. We have 4 sections. This year, 5th section we have opened. Really, this is possible only with the help of the existing parents of Siddhartha Educational Institutions. Those who studied in the Siddhartha school, their children and their siblings and their relatives, maximum, they came and they have taken admission. First of all, we have to thank in front of, behalf of we all, we have to thank to our chairman, Mr. Beloved Ravindra Rao Garu. Surya, Ravindra, really all the branches, almost all the campuses, maximum full admissions we have completed, and we started the academics planning. Very successfully we have completed Excel batch like IIT coaching. You know already in Jagichal district, first 100% full-fledged IIT academy. What is the school? Yes, that is, what is the school? Yes, Jyoti IIT Academy in the Jagichal, first with full-fledged foundation we have started. successfully. Really, it's going on. Even this year also, Chada Akhil, NIT Warangal. Last time, 3 students they have got seats in NIT Warangal. This year also one by Nikhil Akhil. He was joined in NIT Warangal. MBBS also every year 2 to 3 seats we are getting. You know already SSC result is very extraordinary. This year already we started the academic year and we completed successfully. How many weekends we completed, children? How many weekends you have completed? I can't hear. 3 successfully. By today morning you written exam and you came to watch the program. So this is the capacity of our teachers, really commitment and good hard working and excellent planning, really with well experienced and super planning it's going on. I thank to all the campus in charges, IIT coordinator Mr. Harikrishna and academic coordinator Mr. Sushendra and Mr. Bhuma Reddy and Mr. Anand and Ajita Madam, Pramita Madam. Special thank to you all to run the school smoothly. Really their cooperation very superb. And coming to the play school and convent, the teachers pre-primary maintaining 4 to 5 sections in nursery. Really thank to the team of the teachers. Their hard work is very superb. With very small kids, every day they have to spend with them. Really, I thank to all the team of the pre-primary especially, and I thank to all your parents and a special congratulations the children who taken admission this year. Almost all local surrounding of the all the schools. The parent actually who came last 1 month, 1.5 month when they are coming today also even the parent he was in office. I asked what's the difference in between the other school and you? Yes sir. ఇంతకుముందు మా బాబు ప్రీవియస్ స్కూల్కి షూ వేసుకెళ్ళరా బాబు అంటే వద్దు నాన్న ఏమన్నారు మా స్కూల్లో అనేది. ఇప్పుడు వద్దురా బాబు రెయిన్ ఉందనగానే అమ్మ ఇక్కడ వదరదు నాన్న నేను స్టిచ్తో వెళ్తాను, నేను షూ వేసుకొని వెళ్తాను అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఐ ఫౌండ్ అని ఆ పేరెంట్ చెప్పారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద కమిట్మెంట్ బై ఆల్ ద టీచర్స్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ వన్, ఈవెన్ PETs, దెన్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్స్, how the performance, even Mr. Nikhil, Mr. Our Mobin and the dance masters, really your dance, Naveen and team, really thank you for your wonderful cooperation. So thank you one and all. And whatever the program we have do here, the media especially local cable channels and electronic and print media, thank you